lot many economists predicted that the year of 2023, okay, is going to be of great. The responsibility of the CFO to basically hold the boat and basically make sure that there are no leakages, okay, and the CFOs have to basically in turn have been trying a lot of things to basically scale the organization. Now, if you want to drive growth in your organization, now I'm going to talk about 5 key resolutions that you as a CFO must not just make but follow throughout 2023. Okay, let's go through the resolution one by one. Okay, now resolution number 1: enhance financial analysis and planning capabilities to build strong relationships with key stakeholders and drive growth. That means a finance function, an FP&A function cannot work in silos. They have to work with several business teams. They have to work with marketing on lead generation. They have to work with sales on lead leakages. They have to work with sales on conversions. They have to work with sales on marketing budgets. What kind of qualified leads are coming into the system? They have to work with operations guys utilization capacity, etc. They have to work with accounting team on entries. So it is catalyst in driving along with the FP&A analysis. Second resolution: invest in technology and digital transformation by working smarter, not harder. That means lot many companies, right? I mean, lot many CFOs take a call that our Brahma. So Tally also to that extent is not sustainable at all by working smarter, right? Resolution number 3: improve transparency in financial reporting by strengthening risk and compliance management. Do your accounting, do your financial reporting with a lot of diligence, because that is what the ultimate investors look at. That is the way in which you represent your corporate governance is very strong. Resolution number 4: get a common ground, get a command over your cash flows by leveraging modern cash management tools where you predict cash flows. You have a cash flow visibility of at least 1 year at any point of time. That's the kind of visibility what we need to have. Last but not the least, develop talent and leadership skills by continuous learning and development. A CFO will be successful only when his team is successful or her team is successful. If you think that as a CFO you are supposed to work only individually without any team output, that's a wrong perception. You have to invest your time, invest your efforts, invest your resources in training the people and making them competent to understand your expectation and implement it at the ground level.